Who's ready for some time-telling Chalktivities? Okay, superstars. After we come in from lunch and recess, it's around 12 o'clock. What is 1 hour past 12 o'clock? Write down the time for 1 hour past 12 o'clock. What is 1 hour past 12 o'clock? Think it out and put the hands on your clock. I'm gonna zoom in over there. Nice. Gonna be zooming in around the room. Put it on your hat. Nice.
Check it out.
That's 12 o'clock. So if 12 o'clock is both hands up, 1 hour, it's upside down, dearest. 1 hour past 12 o'clock. Raise your hand if you can tell me what the answer is. Abdul. Exactly. 1 o'clock is 1 hour past 12 o'clock. Good job, second grade.
5 o'clock.